Hello, I'm to speak my favorite book, Los dos mundos de Zoe, Destino a París, d'Alana García and Jordi Lavanda. This is a book included in the collection. The book is about a girl, her your friends eat. I hope you like it and thanks for your attention.
Is this part of the book?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Okay, very good. Thank you, Ellie.
Holidays are when at school and then people will travel to different parts of the world. For example, England or Spain. I prefer go to camping on holidays. Normally I go camping.
The Statue of Liberty is in Manhattan Island next to Mount the river Hudson. France gives in the United States of America for commemoration the centenary of American independence. Before you could visit it but now not. This monument has a lot of visitors every year because it was considered World Heritage Site by UNESCO.
My favorite animal is a horse. I like horse because they have a beautiful head. In reading is quite difficult. The horse can be of several colors, brown, black, and white. The horse is not a pet. The animal look like is a pony, but the difference is that ponies are more little. There is a sport that is called running. The can is very life, but also there are some life in the mountains. If you are very close to one horse and this is something it called to hurt you, I would like a lot of learning.
I will going to talk about my family. In my family are different members. My mom, Nuria, my dad, Alberto, my sister, Africa, and my brother, Pepe. My sister wears glasses. He's the girl in the brothers. My little brother is Pepe. He's the little on the family. For me, my family is the best family in the world.
Okay, well, she, remember, okay? Because she's a girl. Okay? Very good, Joanne. Did you forget anything or it was good? Everything okay? What you had on the paper? Yes, okay, cool.
I have a big family. My mom has 4 sisters and 1 brother, and my father has 3 brothers. I have 12 cousins, but I haven't brothers or sisters, but I haven't never been alone. Because my mom's family live next to my house and my grandparents live upstairs my home. I'm always up and down stairs to visit them. I'm the biggest of my cousins and I always organize games for them.
My favorite PlayStation game is called Wonder Book, the Book of Spells. It was a Christmas gift from my mother. Now I'm going to tell you how it works. First of all, you will see and listen a tutorial. Secondly, you will have to choose which one you want and which thing you want to belong in. Then you can start to play and enjoy the experience of doing funny spells.
My favorite sport is skating. Many people think my favorite sport is skating on ice, but my favorite sport is skating on the floor, rollerblading. Yes. When I was 6, I started doing it. I thought this sport was very boring, but now it is my favorite sport. I do many competitions, 3 each year. In the past, Laura and Brina doing skating with me. We wearing skating costume, but only for the competitions. I've been interested in various locations, but I love skating.
The topic that I have chosen are football because it is one of my favorite sports. I play football at the school and sometimes we win and sometimes we lose.
My favorite sports. I like all these sports, but my favorites are run, skate, and swim. Swim. I started to swim when I was 2 in Claret swimming pool, and it's very funny and I like it. Skate. I started to skate when I was 6 with my sister, but now I skate with my friends in the school at 7 o'clock in Thursday and Tuesday. Run. I like run and I run always in physical education in class. It's very funny and I like all the sports because they are health and relaxing and I like it.
Okay. Okay, finally.